brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Please like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy the video. Welcome back to Senior Life Simplified. Today, we're diving into a world of possibilities, right from your living room. Did you know that YouTube isn't just for young people or silly videos? It's a powerful tool seniors can use to learn almost anything at any time. Whether you want to learn how to knit, bake a new recipe, fix something around the house, or even learn a new language, YouTube is full of free, step-by-step video lessons just waiting for you. So what makes YouTube perfect for seniors? Number one, it's free. All you need is an internet connection. Number two, it's visual and easy to follow. You can watch someone do exactly what you want to learn in real time. And number three, you can pause and rewind anytime, so you can learn at your own pace, no pressure. Here are just a few examples of what seniors are learning on YouTube every day. Technology tips like how to use your smartphone or email, exercise routines designed for seniors, crafts and hobbies like painting, crocheting, or woodworking. Music lessons, whether you want to sing or play an instrument. Cooking tutorials from simple meals to family favorites, and even online safety advice so you can stay protected while surfing the web. Getting started is easy. Just go to www.youtube.com on your phone, tablet, or computer. In the search bar, type what you want to learn, like beginner yoga for seniors or how to use Zoom. Then click on a video and press play. That's it. You can also subscribe to channels you like, so you never miss a new video. Just click the red subscribe button under any video you enjoy. So whether you're 60 or 90, it's never too late to learn something new. YouTube is like a classroom that never closes, and you're always welcome. Try it today. YouTube is for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a fellow senior. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Life Simplified for more practical tips, uplifting stories, and helpful how-tos, just for you. This video was brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and check out all of our other videos.